Hey everybody, welcome back to another Minty video, and today we are going to be reviewing the Redragon Hitman Full HD 1080p USB webcam. First off, let's see what you'll get in the box. So in the box, you get the Redragon webcam, the user manual, and a Redragon sticker. So here is the webcam up close. The webcam itself can be rotated up to 360 degrees sideways. Also, this webcam features a mounting bracket in which you can attach it to a monopod or a tripod. This webcam also has a 1.80 meter 2.0 USB cable, which is great if you'd like to set the webcam afar for a more viewing angle. Now for the specifications of the webcam. The resolution of this webcam is a Full HD 1080p with a frame rate of 30 frames per second. The webcam has a viewing angle of 72 degrees with a fixed focus lens of 50 cm to infinity. It also has a dual microphone, which is a 2-channel stereo and has a noise reduction. This webcam supports both Windows and Mac. So here is the webcam with the out-of-the-box default settings. I'm in a very well-lit room right now, which is why the webcam looks good. Now let's try it out when I turn off the lights and see if it still works in a mildly dark room. Okay, now that I turn off the light, you guys can see that the webcam itself adjusted the exposure so that you guys can see me clearly. Although what happens is that there's little to no saturation. It's like a night vision. And you guys can see more of the greenish tint, like my white wall. There's a bit of green, and yeah, that's the only issue that I have with this webcam. It's that because of the greenish tint. And right now I will face the webcam towards my window and see how it works against the light. So as you saw there, the webcam adjusted itself so that it can show me visibly on screen, and it's not bad. It is not bad. It's just that maybe if I had some lighting over towards my face there, or if my light can reach toward there, it will definitely have a much clearer video of me standing there. So yeah. Now let's go to the microphone test. So right now what you're hearing is the inbuilt dual microphone from the Redragon Hitman, and it states at the box that it can hear you up to 3 meters away. So yeah, that's it for the microphone test, and I actually tested this out a couple of times, and there are noises. It says in the box that it has a noise reduction built-in noise reduction, but where is it? That's about it for this webcam review. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope I helped you in deciding if you're gonna get this webcam. And consider subscribing to this channel if you'd like to see more of this kind of videos. I will be releasing a new video next week about my Logitech C922 Pro, and if you guys would like to watch that, please don't forget to click the bell notification when you subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you next time.